Don't try to shoot me. Oh, no, no, whoa, whoa. Hey, that got it all that time. I have a question before you shoot me, okay? Who wants s'mores? Oh, look at Yo, check it. Who wants to make s'mores tonight?
Me.
Right? Have you ever had a s'mores before?
Yes.
How do you make a s'mores?
Roast the s'more. I mean the marshmallow.
Okay.
You have to have a big one too. It has to be over a stick in a fire. Take a cracker. You put some chocolate. You put the marshmallow. You put the cracker on top. And you get it?
Okay, okay. Do you know how to make a s'mores?
So first you gotta roast the marshmallow, and
Okay.
then you get the cracker, and then you put the chocolate on, and then you get the marshmallow, put the marshmallow on the stick on top, and then you get the top of the cracker, and you squeeze it tight, and then pour the stick out. And that's how you make a s'more.
Wow, that's awesome. Did you know how to make a s'mores too?
I usually get Hershey chocolate because it tastes very good. And then after we get Hershey chocolates from the store, we have our marshmallows and we put the marshmallow on the stick. We just get 2 crackers and we just do that, and then we take the top part off and put the chocolate on, and then we close it, and then we just take a bite of it.
Ooh. How do you make s'mores? What if I told you that you're gonna help me on a mission today?
Yes! 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 My
I'm gonna
brother.
need your help. I need to go to the grocery store and I need to buy 3 things. What are those 3 things that I need?
I know.
Can you tell me one?
Crackers,
Hold
marshmallow.
on. Can you tell me another one?
Marshmallow.
Okay, crackers, marshmallows, and what's the other thing?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Who loves chocolate?
Me.
Me. I love chocolate.
My brother.
Yes.
How do you make s'mores?
Oh, you're awesome. Thanks for asking. Well, I like to take the marshmallow, put it on a stick. I put it over a fire. I wait till it gets all burned up and looking crispy, and then I take it back, and I have a graham cracker with chocolate waiting on it to come out. And I put it in between the marshmallow, squeeze it in between the graham cracker and the chocolate as a sandwich, pull out the stick, and then it's ready to go.
And sometimes I just get the marshmallow and put it on the fire and let the marshmallow get on fire. Then I blow it out and it tastes so good like that.
Yes, that's great. Well, are you all ready? I'm gonna have to leave here in a minute to go to the store. So you said I need chocolate, marshmallows, the big ones, and graham crackers? Okay, all right. Wish me luck. Give me 5. All right.
Bye, my brother.
Bye.
Make sure Bye, my brother. Buy the right ingredients.
Thank
Bye,
you so much.
everyone. Bye.
Bye. I'm about to go get some ingredients to make these s'mores for tonight. I'll see you. Bye. Are you ready to go shopping with me? I'm gonna need your help to remember all the items. What items were they again? We have, graham crackers, marshmallows, the big ones, and chocolate. I love chocolate. Ooh, those s'mores are gonna be so delicious tonight. So, we're shopping right now. Look how delicious these look. Oh, man. Look at the colors. And I love the colors. All right, what were the 3 things that we need again? We have chocolate, graham crackers.
Marshmallows.
Yes, you're so smart. Great job, boys and girls. I started to get lost for a second. Let's go look for marshmallows, the big ones. Oh, look. We found the marshmallows. I have to get marshmallows, but I don't know which ones to get. I know they're supposed to be the big marshmallows. Can you help me figure out which marshmallows to get?
Yes.
Great, come on. Let's see. Are these marshmallows big marshmallows? No, look at these marshmallows. These marshmallows are big marshmallows. Look at them compared to those. These must be them. No. Oh man. Look at how big these marshmallows are. Wow. Look at them compared to all the other marshmallows. They're so much bigger. This has to be the marshmallow that Ayana wants. Good job, little brothers and sisters. I need to find out which aisle has the crackers in it. Does this aisle have crackers? Baby food, baby needs, medicines, baby... No, I don't see anything that has to do with crackers. Let's keep looking. Oh, look. Crackers. That's exactly what we need. All right, they should be right over here. Do you see the graham crackers anywhere?
Yes, right there.
That's right. They're right there. Yes. They have them. Yes.
Yes.
Great work, boys and girls. Thank you for helping me. Graham crackers. All right, so I've got marshmallows, the big ones. I've got graham crackers. That leaves one more thing.
Chocolate.
What is that? Chocolate. Oh, chocolate. Oh, I love chocolate. Let's go find some chocolate right now. Can you help me?
Yes.
Great. Oh, man. So I need chocolate now. So that means I probably should look for it in the candy section. Do any of those things say candy?
No.
What about that?
This one.
This one says candies. That's exactly what we need.
Yay!
I just need some chocolate. Oh man. Look at all this candy. Oh man. I love these. These are the best. Chocolate. But wait, which chocolate do I need to make s'mores with? Can you help me figure it out? Can I use these M&Ms?
No.
No. What can I use?
Hershey's.
That's right. I think this chocolate will work perfectly well. Good job, boys and girls. You found it. Chocolate. Oh, man. Oh, chocolate. How many items do we have now? Let's see. We have the jumbo marshmallows, graham crackers, and we have our chocolate. Yes. I think we have everything. We're gonna go make s'mores right now. Well, little brothers and sisters, thank you so much for helping me find all the ingredients for the s'mores today. You were amazing. We had to find 3 things. We found the marshmallows, the big ones. We found graham crackers, and we found chocolate. Chocolate. I can't wait to go home and make s'mores. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go home and make s'mores. Yes! Are you coming with me? Let's go make s'mores. All right, y'all. With the help of my little brothers and my little sisters, you know what we got?
S'mores.
S'mores! Wait, what were the 3 things we needed for s'mores? What?
Marshmallows, the big kind too.
Marshmallows, the big kind. What were the other things?
Graham crackers.
Graham crackers. We've got graham crackers. And what was the last thing we needed?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. We got chocolate. Yes, Who's ready to put some s'mores together?
Me.
Yes! Give me
My
5.
brother, when you smell marshmallows, you can smell it out of the bag.
You can? Let me see. Oh, you
My
can.
brother.
Do you smell them? Oh, they smell so good.
My brother,
Yes.
I think this is going to taste really, really good.
Me too. All right. We're getting ready to make s'mores. Right, y'all. We've got our marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers ready. Marshmallow sticks.
Always have an adult with
Ready.
you when you do this.
All right, go over there.
Is that a big fire?
All right, over there.
They're roasting their marshmallows. You're gonna be ready to blow it out. It's gonna catch on fire. Blow it out.
Now we have to grab
Blow
it.
it out. Good job.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Look at it.
Look at that. Are you ready? We're gonna squeeze it like a sandwich and pull it off. Here you go. Look at this. Nice and toasted. Mmm.
Oh, yummy.
I need to roast it a little bit more.
All right, go ahead. Roast it a little bit more. Go ahead.
Whoa. There.
It's good? All right.
Got the chocolate.
Oh, chocolate's on there. We're gonna squeeze it like a sandwich.
Is it hot?
It's a little hot.
My brother,
Yeah?
you should try these. They're really, really good.
Really? I'm gonna make me a s'mores now. I need to eat me a s'mores now. Y'all made me so hungry. Uh-oh. Now,
Can I give you this
hold
more?
that for me.
And then marshmallow.
Thank you. There you go. You're gonna squeeze it like a sandwich and sneak it off.
My brother.
Mmm.
Whoa!
Whoa! Where'd your s'mores go? It's gone. Wow, you must really like s'mores.
Put in another marshmallow. Directly on my stick.
Mm-hmm. It's so good.
I know, right?
All right, little brothers and sisters, thank you so much. The s'mores are so good. How do we make s'mores again? We need 3 things.
Marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate.
Yes! You're so smart. Thank you for helping me grocery shop today and figure out my 3 ingredients. All right, girls. Are you ready to take our adventure? We're gonna say it as quietly as we can because it's late and we don't want to wake anybody up, okay? 1, 2, 3. Go adventure! Bye.
Bye.